Hey guys, Chuck, House of Mopar. How you doing, everybody? Changing Earl and Miss Louise. This is Monday. Thursday, we are leaving on the trip to Bowling Green for the Holly Moparty. That was a good time. It was the first time last year, but so it wasn't well attended, but which was nice because, you know, if you wanted to, you could drive your car around the place. They thought you're going somewhere. Didn't do that, but anyway. So yeah, changing the oil, checking the tranny fluid. It's fine. I'm gonna give her a bath. She's got a little tree sap on her, and my wheels. You know, you don't need those rusting up on you because you're just too lazy to wash it. So anyway. Here's a quick preview of what you're going to see here on Tuesday or Friday. I changed the fan on this, and I was working on my son's duster. That's all you need to know now. Don't get excited. That's what my dad always said. So anyway, Johnny's car, the 66 Charger, ain't going. We'll talk to him when we get there, when I see him Thursday, but he's got a vibration. 2300 or so, and it's probably the if you remember, he did that 46 RH swap on there, overdrive trans and a 66 Charger, and the bell housing he wanted wasn't available till after the first year, so he went ahead and just made a bracket. Stuff's made for this conversion. Well, he made his own, and it sounds like the spacer that goes on the crank is probably the problem, you know, just throwing everything off balance. So anyway, all right, that's it, just a quickie. See you guys on Friday.